Greetings from the heart of the Consumer Electronics Show 2025. The atmosphere here crackles with innovation. Tech giants have gathered from around the globe. They are eager to unveil their latest creations. Amidst this symphony of technological progress, NVIDIA has just announced a project of remarkable ambition. They call it Project Digits. Today, we stand at the cusp of a new era. Get ready, for the world will never be the same. NVIDIA, a name synonymous with cutting-edge graphics processing, has outdone itself. Project Digits is not just an incremental step forward, it's a leap into a future powered by the fusion of advanced graphics, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. Imagine a world where data transforms from an abstract concept into a tangible force. That's the promise of Project Digits. Join me as we delve into the details of this groundbreaking endeavor. At its core, Project Digits is about empowering humanity with the tools to navigate the ever-expanding ocean of data. We live in an age where information flows like a torrent. Yet, harnessing its true potential requires more than just raw processing power. It demands intelligence. It demands insight. And that's precisely what Project Digits delivers. Imagine GPUs so powerful, they make today's technology look like child's play. These GPUs aren't just rendering stunning visuals. They're the engine behind sophisticated AI algorithms. These algorithms can sift through mountains of data in the blink of an eye. They're capable of recognizing patterns. They can predict future trends with remarkable accuracy. But it doesn't stop there. Project Digits seamlessly integrates with the cloud. This allows for unparalleled scalability and collaboration. It's a potent cocktail of technological advancements. The true beauty of Project Digits lies in its elegant orchestration of seemingly disparate fields. Graphics processing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics, once siloed disciplines, now converge in perfect harmony. This harmonious convergence unlocks capabilities beyond our wildest imagination. Consider the realm of healthcare. Project Digits can analyze medical images with unprecedented precision. It can detect diseases in their earliest stages. It can assist doctors in making life-saving diagnoses. Turn your attention to the gaming industry. Get ready for immersive gaming experiences that blur the line between reality and the virtual world. Picture AI-powered characters that learn and adapt to your every move. Section 4. Digits in Action, Reshaping Our World. The applications of Project Digits extend far beyond healthcare and gaming. In the automotive sector, Digits is the driving force behind the next generation of self-driving cars. These vehicles will navigate complex environments with ease. They will make our roads safer for everyone. In finance, Digits can analyze market trends and manage risk with unparalleled sophistication. This will lead to more informed investment decisions and a more stable global economy. These examples are but a glimpse into the transformative potential of Project Digits. As this technology matures, we can expect to see its impact reverberate across every facet of human endeavor. From education to entertainment, from manufacturing to scientific discovery, Digits will empower us to solve complex problems and unlock a future brimming with possibilities. Section 5. A glimpse into the future. The unveiling of Project Digits at CES 2025 marks a pivotal moment in our technological journey. It's a testament to human ingenuity. It's a beacon of progress, illuminating the path ahead. As we stand on the precipice of this new era, one thing is clear: the future belongs to those who can harness the power of information. NVIDIA has thrown down the gauntlet. They have issued a challenge to the world. Innovate, explore, transform. The future is ours to shape. The tools are now in our hands. Let's use them wisely. Let's use them boldly. Let us use them to build a brighter future for all humankind.